Hey guys, sorry we haven't uploaded in a long time. Yeah, I don't know why, and I just did that because I saw Mittens. She's outside.
Restart it.
No one heard Yoshi yelling because he's in the woods right now. I'm gonna get it on the cam.
It's the kitten.
No, it's running!
That's the killer. Oh, it's the killer kitten. Run!
Then why are we trying to get it if it's a killer kitten?
JJ! It's cheap. Oh, that's not
Cheetah.
No, there's a wild cheetah.
Get off the
Of Africa.
What?
We're in
I think cheetahs.
We're in
live
Africa.
What do you mean we're in Africa?
No, we're really in Virginia.
No.
I'm Virginia.
No.
We're in the Western Kingdom. You mistaken.
You're dumb.
There's something cool about this place.
Now, Luigi, you talk.
Yoshi's
Tell them
Island
what
is
you got
fun.
for your birthday.
Halo.
Halo
sets.
And he is kind of sideways.
It's almost Orange Yoshi's birthday.
Orange Yoshi, what are you getting for your birthday?
A tablet.
Yeah, you're
My birthday was
Video.
April 22nd.
Yes.
Roblox.
And I'm bored.
Roblox.
Why are you screaming about Roblox?
I'm addicted.
You're addicted to Roblox?
It's fun.
That was obvious a year ago.
The camera.
I was about to say
talking. Make sure we're on the camera. What? Ian, get.
Hey, Orange Yoshi, say something to the camera.
Boom! I scared you, I know.
Hey, Daniel, get the camera.
I don't think you scared all of them. Luigi, what are we going to do today? Hey, Orange Yoshi, go down the slide. Okay.
It's the killer.
Where's the cat?
Luigi, find the wild kitten.
Where did it go?
Oh no! And Bowie, our power's out.
Why is our power out? Our power is awesome.
We didn't pay for electricity bill.
What's an electricist? That's a Super Mario Logan reference. That's Black Yoshi. He always says that.
And then the garden.
It's in there. Where? Where's the kitty?
Where's the killer?
There it is. Where? You can see it. Hopefully, you can see the killer kitty. I bet you don't, but it's hard because it's a Black Panther cat. Highlight. It's not a Black Panther. Where's another cat? Cheetah! Where is another cheetah? Where's? Gosh!
It's so cool.
No, it's running!
Get in the garden.
Get in the garden! It's not in the safe place! Get weapons!
No.
I like we wouldn't.
Whoa,
hurt.
it's so cool.
We would never.
It's so scary.
Move. We would never hurt animals.
I got my bike. I'm sorry for yelling, guys. I have
Unless we
anger
have to-
issues.
Unless we have to eat them. Anger issues is when you yell at people, not yell at a camera. This is anger issues. Yo, you're dumb and dumb and dumb and you're so dumb. Mayo. Bye. Almost tripped. A kitty. Mario. You're.
Oh wait, that's it.
My name is Christopher. That's my second name.
Mario Christopher G-Man John.
What? I'm not G-Man from Half-Life.
No, he's G-Man. No, he's Mario
Hey, guys.
Christopher. Mushrooms.
No, Luigi. You know our last name is Mario.
Spaghetti.
Our last name is Spaghetti.
Oh.
Spaghetti balls. What the hoaxing?
Plush video makers. Do you guys want some grilled cheese sandwich?
No! No!
And his name's Mario!
No, we don't want grilled cheese.
Sorry, that's just some guy trying
To get us to eat his grilled cheese.
I want grilled cheese.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Never mind. Let's pretend he wasn't there.
Yes, you guys do that. Here's our garden.
Big.
And here's our apple trees. If Yellow Yoshi would move.
Here's our apple tree. We have apple tree.
Awesome apple trees.
Sorry guys, I'm done screaming now.
You should stop. Oh, you always scream. Hey guys, you want to see how high I can jump? You want to see how high? No, I can jump higher. I almost got
Slender's in our backyard. Maya, look at me. Look, no, Maya, look at me.
Yo, Yoshi!
Maya.
Where's the kitten? Sorry. I'm gonna set you guys down. You're gonna be the bait. You guys are gonna be the bait. The cat's gonna eat you. Get in the grass, everyone.
Get in the grass.
Get in the grass. It's the only way the kitty can see you. Get in the grass. We lied. You're not the bait. We are the bait.
I'm not the bait.
We're not the bait. We are.
We're trying to get it.
Blue Yoshi's the bait.
I think it's no. Oh no. What did you got it?
You got it!
Come on, camera. Get it in the back. Get it in the house.
Get in the house! Get in the house! We got the cat.
Look in the bedroom.
Well, I want to put it on the camera. Honestly, I'm pets.
You want to put on? Hey guys. And
I want
I'm
to
sorry if this has blood.
Why would our radio have blood?
It's a kids channel.
No. What do you mean?
It's an everybody channel.
It's just a channel with us in it.
It's an everybody channel.
Yo, Yoshi breaks the fourth wall all the time.
No, you break the fourth wall.
Because whenever we're playing something that you're not supposed to break the fourth wall, he breaks it.
I don't care.
Okay, everyone.
Let's go. Real, Maya. You're not real too. Do a slam dunk into this. Okay?
Oh, he's right.
Giant tube.
Yo! Yoshi! Poo poo flagger.
Your name's
Okay.
Pom Pom.
Maya, look at me now. Look at me. Now I want you to look at me while I'm going in.
Okay.
Move.
What? I can do that.
Failure.
Yeah. Look.
Woo.
Yeah. Whoa.
Yay, Luigi! And yeah, Yoshi did it! 3, 2, 3, let's go! I'm gonna pick this up. There you guys are gonna snipe Luigi, but the Luigi's scope's broken.
How to get in our house?
Oh, wait, which one?
You put it in the house, silly. Luigi, you take the camera. Luigi, you take the camera.
Why?
Hey guys, 'cause I need you to.
Hey,
Team
guys.
shooter, get out. This is our video.
No.
Why do you need it?
You do the video. I have to get something.
What, really?
I have to just get something.
I threw something on your leg. Okay, everyone. Let's go this way.
Hey.
Sorry if it's too bright.
You
What?
know that we have Halo and Black Ops
Okay, let's go.
and Minecraft and Terraria.
Okay, so this is our plan. Look at those. Beautiful. They're the most beautiful plants in the world. You might think so. You might think
You may think so, you may not think so, but I think they're the most beautiful plants. Except for those. Yeah. Can I have the camera?
He went away.
Can I have the camera now?
I have plasma pistols.
What?
I have plasma pistols.
Run!
I'm gonna shoot you guys.
Run, everyone!
Luigi, give me the camera and you won't get hurt.
Okay. So run now. Luigi, here's a plasma pistol.
Ow,
Luigi, it hurt.
guys, let's go in.
No, I don't want to. Here's a close-up of the plasma pistol.
And the plasma pistols are from Halo. By the way, guys,
If you're new to the channel, subscribe.
The video's not over yet. We still have 17 minutes.
I'm just warning the people. I'm just telling them. So subscribe
This
if you're
video
new
is
to the
gonna be
channel
long.
to get new to get more.
You don't know what to say. Don't.
guys, help! And help, guys,
Subscribe if you play Halo.
Yeah, Halo for the win! Don't you? If you're a COD fan, you don't say Halo is dumb in the comments. You can say anything else, but Halo is dumb, or we'll be mad. No, seriously, you should see what Luigi does when someone says Halo is dumb.
Miles, say Halo with them.
Halo is dumb.
Halo's cool!
Halo's awesome. Yeah, you don't want that to happen to you. Stop screaming! Yellow, Moshi, Dumbo, Yoshi.
It's time for
By the way, Mayo, isn't it time for Yo-Yo to take his diarrhea pills?
Yes! Gigi! Oh, why she runs.
They just said, when are they gonna do a gaming video?
No, you can't read the comments. You don't know how to read.
You don't know how to read your face.
Wow.
And your eyeballs are twitching.
How are they twitching?
Your body! What is Mario disguised body?
I'm not in a body suit, and I hate body.
I'm ready. Mario, I'm gonna take a dive into the water.
Okay, bye.
No,
I hope you die. Just kidding.
I'm gonna sit on the tank.
Now, close off of the plasma pistol. Fine!
Okay, Mayo, I'm gonna jump in it.
Okay, there. Oh, you're getting me wet!
I'm wet.
Yeah, you're getting the camera wet! Oh, shit, go!
No.
Why am I using it? You're gonna break the camera! Stop! That's it! Yo-Yo, you're gonna electrocute me, and then we're not gonna be able to upload the video. Luigi! Yo-Yo, is trying to electrocute me with the water.
Why?
Then we won't be able to upload the video, and I'll die.
Then, what?
gonna shoot you, Yellow Yoshi.
I have water on me. Look.
If you do that one more time. Okay. That's it. I'm calling the animal. I'm calling animal control. I'm calling animal control.
Milo, look at this.
That's it. I'm calling animal control for you, Yellow Yoshi. There. Called in.
I feel like a fat person.
Why do you feel
Like
like
you.
a fat person? Okay, I'm turning off the camera.
No. Then is it animals
Ah!
who are there, but they don't know we're yellow?
Yeah, Luigi does not like the camera being turned off, and I hate getting wet unless I'm in a bloody
Can
pool.
this be the end of the video now?
Okay,
Bye, everyone.
how do I turn it off?
Bye.
Turn it off!
It press the turn off button, I'm pretty sure. Actually, wait. Let's go into the house.
Well, hey, you're gonna get it wet. The camera's still on. So this is what happens when we forget how to turn off a camera.
A camera.
So this is when you're gonna watch a couple more minutes of video, and
No, wait, don't. Can we just turn it off?